This one device replaces your entire meeting setup. EMEET Meeting Capsule Gen 2 Review. Let's be real. Online meetings are a mess. You're stuck fumbling with glitchy webcams, sketchy audio, and a jungle of tangled cables that turn every call into tech roulette. One moment you're muted, the next you're a frozen blur with background noise stealing the spotlight. It's frustrating. Time's wasted. Motivation tanks. Your focus? Long gone. If you're tired of half-baked tools that promise the world but deliver stress, you're not alone. It's like trying to run a marathon with bricks tied to your shoes. There has to be a better way, right? Now imagine this. A critical client meeting and your mic randomly dies. Or your camera decides to pixelate into potato mode. Cue the stress sweat, the creeping burnout, the looming deadlines you can't afford to miss because tech keeps tripping you up. Every glitch costs you credibility. Every delay shaves dollars off your deals. And while you're juggling these digital disasters, someone else is sealing the deal because their gear actually works. If that punch-in-the-gut frustration feels familiar, it's because you're still stuck using tools that just don't keep up. Meet your new secret weapon, the EMEET Meeting Capsule Gen 2, a ridiculously smart, all-in-one video conferencing solution built to obliterate chaos and skyrocket your productivity. Think 360-degree 4K video, AI voice, face, and figure tracking, plus 8 crystal-clear, omnidirectional mics, and a booming 10-watt hi-fi speaker, all in one sleek, vertical device. No apps, no Wi-Fi, no messy setups, just plug and slay. With 5 intelligent camera modes, yes, including panoramic and split screen, this capsule knows who's talking and locks in instantly. Designed for up to 15 people, it's Zoom, Teams, and Meet compatible, meaning your hybrid meetings just went pro. It's not just an upgrade. It's a full-blown evolution in meeting tech. The results? Total transformation. Your team flows smoother. Conversations stay focused. Clients actually hear and see you. With its panoramic 4K capture and automatic AI speaker tracking, everyone gets camera time. No awkward angling. No one left out. The 8-mic array kills background noise while the Voice IA tech boosts voices like a charm. Verified customers call it a game changer, Zoom room, transformer, and the last meeting camera you'll ever buy. From small business owners to classroom tech leads, people are ditching messy multi-device setups for this single, streamlined beast. Tap into the same smart camera tech praised by TechRadar and Serious Insights, and say goodbye to audio dropouts and video dead zones. Still not convinced? Hit play and see why the EMEET Meeting Capsule Gen 2 is making believers out of skeptics and blowing minds in the process. Time to stop settling. The EMEET Meeting Capsule Gen 2 isn't just better, it's next level. But don't blink. Demand is real, and stock won't last long. Join the thousands who've already leveled up their virtual game. Whether you're running boardrooms, classrooms, or client calls, this device delivers. So don't wait. Act now. Secure yours today and experience the kind of meetings people actually look forward to. You've got one shot to show up like a pro. Why risk it? Hit that Buy Now button and take control of your meetings for good.